Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, karibu and welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always making time to come and be with me. So this is day 2 of us here in Zanzibar, and we came to visit the spice farm just to see the different spices that are here. And yeah, come with me. I want to take you guys on this tour.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some...
During the past, our grandmoms, basi hii haiva sana kukuta ile kama kabisa ile inakuwa ni nyekundu kabisa.
Nitakuongeza nyingine leo. Unakula kama mbirimbi, yani kama ile mbirimbi kule unaonyeshwa. Penzi.
Medu.
Nini maembe?
Karambola.
It is enough,
Almost like.
Wow. So during the past there, yeah, our grandmoms, they were allowed to go anywhere they need.
Fenty in the bush. So guys, I just bought this here at Spice Farm, Zanzibar. This is actually perfume from the coffee flowers, and it smells really good. It smells really good. I like it. So I've picked 2. These are actually made by the local women here, so it's just a way of supporting them and promoting them. Yeah, but I really love them, so I got 2 for myself at it's 6,000 each Tanzanian shillings, but I bargained, so I got at 5,000, so 10,000 Tanzanian shillings. That's like 500 Kenya shillings or $5. So it's a good deal for a nice smell. Once in a while, I'll remember Zanzibar, yeah?
But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space.
Zanzibar. Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
Jambo bwana. Habari gani?
Habari gani?
Nzuri sana. Tumaini. Mkaribishwa.
Kupendeza.
Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata.
Kijora chekundu.
Hakuna matata. Shika, chukua video ndio kucheza. Jambo bwana.
Habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni twakaribishwa. Zanzibar, hakuna matata.
And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite.
Time for some lunch. We've all ordered the chicken biryani and you guys are just here eating, so let me also dig in. It's nice, not bad. I've had better biryani before, but I mean, it will do. Hi guys. Oof, it's all hot. It's very hot, but no worries. So our escapades have brought us to Kendwa beach. Now Kendwa beach is 10 minutes from Nungwi. We were at Nungwi village, so we've actually decided to come to Kendwa beach just to see what the beach is like. We've been told this is the best beach here in Zanzibar, and I actually agree. It's so nice. You can see how vast it is. The sand is so white, the water, and then it's more chilled. I feel like this is more chilled as compared to Nungwi. So this is so chilled. You can see, you can just relax, have fun, enjoy yourself. So we want to go towards the water. We want to just go very close to the water and actually have a real swim. So come with me guys. I really like this because the sun is out and it's so hot, so I'm hoping the water is not going to be cold, because that's one thing I've noticed here. The water in Zanzibar is very cold. Like, oh my god, I'm so used to like the coastal towns, Malindi, Mombasa, Lamu, where you get into the water and the water is not cold. But here, when you get into the water, you can feel the temperature difference. So come guys, let's experience Kendwa beach. I don't miss you, no.
I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you are all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind.
The water is so cold. Oh my god, guys, I told you the water in Zanzibar is so cold. Jeez, it's literally cold. I can't.
But he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
So guys, every time you come to the beach or to the ocean, you can try scrubbing your face with the sand. So you pick the sand and then you just apply it on your face and scrub. It's very nice. It's a natural scrubber, face scrubber, because it has salt and the sand is not that coarse, so it's very good. You just scrub like that. Even this side you scrub like that, like that. Just slowly, gently. You know how you scrub your face with the scrubbers in the house? So you just scrub a little bit like that, like that. Then you can actually decide to let it soak for like 15 minutes and then wash off. So this is very good because it has salt. Remember the ocean is very salty. It's a very good one. Whenever you're in the coast, any coastal line, try this and you'll thank me later. If you're actually at the coast for more than 3 days, the better. So every morning, every evening you try it and let me know your result. So what I like to do with mine, I like to just leave it to soak for like 15 minutes. So I just do my swimming and then afterwards I just rinse off. So you just rinse off like that, like that. You rinse off like that. The water is very salty. Like that. Perfect. So I can actually feel how smooth already my face is. Yeah, but so far I actually like the change of weather because I left Nairobi with some pimples on my face, especially the forehead, but since I've been here for like 2 or 3 days, I've noticed my face has cleared. So I think Zanzibar is doing me well. I like it. So try this hack and let me know when you're in the beach how it works for you. Bye bye.